Okay, let's take a look at this question, which is number 4 of section 3.2. It's looking for a standard deviation and variance for 10 numbers. And I notice, let's see, you did correctly in number 3, which is also looking for sample variance and standard deviation. But this question only have 5 numbers, which makes your calculation much easier. And then the next question, number 4, has 10 numbers, which makes your calculation harder. So in this case, we actually can use StatCrunch to help us to do that. If you notice, by the set of data, there is a button, kind of a little rectangle. So click on that. It says Open in StatCrunch. So click on Open in StatCrunch. The data should be already loaded into the column here, which is that 10 numbers. Okay, now click Stat. Under Summary Stats, Columns, click Columns, and then you click Val 1 into the bin because your Val 1 is the column including your data. So click on Val 1, that's into the bin. And then because all those statistics are already here, all you need to do is just compute. So once you compute, you'll see, okay, here shows you N, which is sample size, that's 10 numbers. Average mean is 28.9, variance is given, standard deviation, everything is calculated out. And later on, we will talk about what is median, range, minimum and maximum, first quartile and third quartile, those things. Okay, so we need to pull out the numbers here, which is the variance is 198.76, rounded to 109.88 is the correct answer for the variance. Standard deviation is 14.098, rounded to 14.1. That's your sample standard deviation. And notice your sample standard deviation is exactly the square root of your sample variance.